and I never have thought that there is any shortcut in this industry or shortcut in this profession. So कभी shortcut नहीं ली, and I always wanted to work very hard and achieve जो जो hard work से achieve होता है वही मैं चाहती हूँ. तो और कोई मंत्र नहीं है मेरा. It's only the patience, hard work and dedication. तो ऑडियंस को मैं कन्विंस कर सकती हूँ.
मेरा जवाब है इसमें. आपने पूछा कि बंगाली फिल्म्स को हमेशा अवार्ड मिलता है, तो मेरी एक एक्सप्लेनेशन है मेरे दिमाग में, हो सकता है वो सही ना हो. बंगाली फिल्म्स का बजट बहुत कम होता है, ठीक है, तो गिमिक्स नहीं कर सकते, ठीक है ना, गाड़ियां नहीं उड़ती हैं, बिल्डिंग्स नहीं गिरते हैं, तो हमको ना फिर कहानी पे ध्यान देना और कैरेक्टराइजेशन पे ध्यान देना पड़ता है, परफॉर्मेंस पे ध्यान देना पड़ता है, जो कि एक्चुअल कंटेंट ऑफ सिनेमा होना चाहिए. सो मुझे लगता है कि वहां पे बंगाली फिल्म जो है बहुत स्कोर करती है, क्योंकि बजट के रेस्ट्रिक्शन से हमको कंटेंट पे ध्यान देना पड़ता है, कंटेंट अच्छा बन जाता है. सो ये हो सकता है.
कंटेंट इज द किंग.
आपने शुरू में जिक्र किया था कि फिल्म का वर्णन करते हुए कि एक शायद इसमें एक यूनिवर्सल अपील है, लेकिन साथ ही साथ यूज द वर्ड शायद more on the lines of international cinema.
Yeah.
Obviously, Bengal has its own culture, history, its own sensibility.
Right.
उसे intellectual state माना जाता है.
Right.
लेकिन obviously जो ground reality जो मेरे ख्याल से पैन इंडिया ऑडियंस खासकर हिंदी सिनेमा वही रही है. अभी भी आपने वही कहा, गाड़ी उतनी भी गाड़ी ला रहे हैं लाइव सिनेमा. तो इस तरह की फिल्में जब आप थिएटर में लाते हैं तो उनके लिए ऑडियंस लाना आउटसाइड ऑफ बंगाल, व्हाट इज द बिगेस्ट चैलेंज? Now, how would you appeal to people that why they should come and watch this film in last minute?
So I think our appeal could only be that it's good cinema. First of all, we will never have the promotional budget to go all out and present it like a big blockbuster. Such films completely rely on word of mouth, right? So when our film releases on the 18th, and when you guys go and watch it, if you like it, like he has watched it, he has liked it, he has told many other people.
Spread the word.
So we will depend definitely on the word of mouth. We have to depend on the content which we now believe, and we believe that our content is nice. That's why we are watching it, right? Also, India is a very diverse country. It has a lot of different kinds of people, different kinds of section. Some people like watching huge blockbusters. Some people like watching deeper content. That's why films like a 12th Fail also works. It's not that only Jawan or Pathan works. 12th Fail also works. Super Boys of Malegaon. Yesterday I was checking the screens where their Super Boys of Malegaon still running. So there are people who are still watching it. Although it has been said that Super Boys of Malegaon is a flop, no one is watching it. But it's a great film. I have watched the film. But there was a problem that people do not go to watch this and people go to watch really big films. But it's still running. In Orbit Malad, it's still running. There are 4 shows. So that means the demand is building up over a certain period of time. Because it's by word of mouth is spreading. So we count on that. We feel there is a huge section of audience which also wants to watch this kind of film. So we count on that. We count on the intellect of the audience also. Not everyone is alive, and we have even suffices that space. And I personally see, for example, I also watch entertaining films, and I also watch deeper films. So it is not that then you have different people to watch different kinds of films. The same person could be watching both. Yeah. So we are counting on the audience and the word of mouth for listening.
मुझे पता हाल ही में जो देखा था पिछले 2 सालों में बंगाली सुपरस्टार जी, ये भी हम एक फिल्म लेके आए थे हिंदी मार्क्स में. हाल ही में जीत एंड रोशन जी इनकी वेब सीरीज आई. देखने को शायद मिला कि एक्शन जॉनर तो वो शायद अब बंगाली सिनेमा में काफी पॉपुलर है. आप इस चेंज को कैसे देखती हैं?
एक्शन विल ऑलवेज बी. ऐसा नहीं है कि एक्शन नहीं, बहुत सारे फिल्म्स हैं एक्शन के ऊपर आधारित, तो बहुत ही चले. तो आई एम वेरी मच I'm happy with that kind of film because I also feel that maybe like a product of commercial cinema. Like I'm a product of commercial cinema. So commercial cinema में action, गाना, drama सब कुछ रहेंगे. So that is also a section which. So उसमें मैं बहुत happy हूँ and I'm very proud that they have done this kind of a action drama with Happy, and it's an international. I mean, it's a national production. और it is on the OTT, तो सब लोग देख सकते हैं. So I'm very happy with the and also what Indranil said is also very right, that the other kind of space which we are looking for, or we now what we are doing with Purathon, we also try to evoke that sensibility in people, that this kind of cinema also exists, that this kind of cinema should also be seen. with lot of more insightful audience, जो कि और जिसकी ऑडियंस है अभी कैलकाटा में भी जब लोग आ रहे हैं they are saying yeah we are grateful to you that you have presented this kind of a film. हम लोग में सभी बात कर रहे हैं कि और भी हम कैसे इसको फैलाए, लोगों को बोले और लोग आए इस फिल्म को देखने के लिए, because this is such a learning experience for us. तो वो जो learning experience जो होते हैं ना, वो भी कुछ फिल्मों से learning experience भी मिलते हैं. जैसे he said that 12th film, it's such a learning experience for us also as an audience to see this kind of a film, because हमारी जो जो fundamental rules है,